In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a brand new document in Affinity Studio. If you're brand new to Affinity, don't worry, I'll walk you through every single step using super simple explanations so you can follow along without getting lost. So grab your mouse, open up Affinity Studio, and let's roll. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. When you open up Affinity Studio, you'll see the welcome screen. Right here, you can start a new project in a couple of different ways. Click New on the welcome screen, or go to the File menu at the top and click New. Both of these open up the New Document dialog box. This is where the magic happens. You'll set your document size, resolution, color mode, and more. Think of this as customizing your workspace before you start designing. When you're ready to go, click a preset orientation, portrait or landscape. Pick your preset page size like A4 or letter. Adjust your document settings as needed. Next up, let's talk about document units. These define the measurement system for your document. You can choose between pixels, points, inches, or millimeters. For print projects, your DPI setting determines how sharp your design looks when printed. For professional printing, set DPI to 300. For web or screen use, 72 DPI is totally fine. Now let's go over the key settings you'll see in the dialog. Page width and height. Control how big your canvas will be. You can enter your own numbers for a custom size. Color format. Choose between RGB, best for digital, CMYK for printing, grayscale or lab. Color profile. This defines your color range. For beginners, you can just leave this on the default profile. Transparent background. Turn this on if you want your background to be transparent. Super helpful when making logos or PNG files. If you're planning to create multiple layouts in one file, enable artboards. This automatically creates one artboard for your new document. You'll also see settings like image placement. Choose whether images you add are embedded, stored inside your file, or linked. Connect it from a folder on your computer. Import text files as linked. Keeps your text file editable outside Affinity. Preserve text styles. Make sure your text formatting stays intact when you import from other documents. These features are amazing for professional workflows, but also easy enough once you've played with them a bit. If you're making magazines, books, or PDFs, this section's for you. Facing pages. Shows left and right pages side by side, just like a real book spread. Arrange. Choose how pages line up, horizontally or vertically. Start on. Pick which side your first page should start. Number of pages. Use the little arrows to add or move pages. Hold Shift to add 10 at a time. Default master. Creates a blank master A page automatically. Now, if you're designing for print, this part's super important. Margins. These are your safe zones, marked with blue guidelines. Keep your text and design elements inside them. Bleed. This adds a safety area around your page edges so nothing important gets cut off when printing. You can set equal bleed values by clicking the link symbol. If you enable facing pages, your left and right options switch to inner and outer, which helps with book layouts. If you're working on blueprints or scale diagrams, enable Use Drawing Scale. Then you can set the scale factor, for example, 1 to 10. You can even pick your preferred readout units if you want to display them differently. Then just click Create Document. And boom, your new blank canvas is ready to roll. And that's it, folks. You've just learned how to create a new document from scratch in Affinity Studio. Super easy once you know what everything means, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Affinity tutorials every week. See you in the next video.